In 2019, the Excel IFS function became available. This function runs multiple tests and returns a value corresponding to the first true result. The fields to be entered are firstly test 1, which is the first logical test, and then value 1, which is the result when the test 1 is true. And then test 2, which is the second logical test, and value 2, which is the result when test 2 is true, and so forth. So let's look at how we can use this IFS formula. So here we want to specify a country, and obviously we have 3 different cities. We have Dubai, Dublin and Paris, and we want to basically return a country based on the actual city. So I can use an IFS formula, and logical test 1 is going to be is D2 equal to Paris, and I have to put Paris in quotations because it's text. And if D2 is equal to Paris, I want to return France. I want to return text value France. Our logical test 2 is if D2 is equal to Dublin, then my value, if true, is going to be the text value Ireland. And logical test 3 is if D2 is equal to Dubai, then the value, if true, is UAE. And then I can drag that down, and it'll instantly return the country of each city based on what I specified in my if statement here. So that's quite a useful formula, but bear in mind, if you're working off an older version of Excel, it may not be available to you.